Bianca, ka dito. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Masyado ka namang seryoso.
Huh? Hoy, ano ba yan? Ang dami kong ginagawa dito
Laro naman tayo.
Laro pa naisip ko, ang dami kong ginagawa. Oh, mas may sense to yung ginagawa ko. Ang dami kong ginagawa.
Yung larong tungpe, may sense to, no? May matututunan ka.
Well, the purpose or benefits of math app or games is it provides a structure and process for children or even the adults to engage in problem solving or equations and in order to reach a particular goal or objective. And reaching that goal might be challenging, but the challenge is also what makes a game playing fun. And we can find it in iOS or Google Play Store. Well, also, in additional, game give students opportunities to explore fundamental number of concepts such as the counting sequence, one-to-one correspondence, and computation strategies. Engaging mathematical games can also encourage students to explore number combinations, place value, patterns, and the other important mathematical concepts. And just like this, what I'm going to show you is an example of mathematical application games. Check it out. So we have this game right here, and we have a lot of levels. And the first one will be what do you think? Great. And for the second level, I think math is not always about the formulas. We should also use logic. And for this one, we should add the 15 plus 6 plus 4. So how did I get the logic in here? Because like the first one, 7 plus 5 plus 3, it will be 15. So what do you think, guys, will be the answer for this one? It is 25. Great. And for this one, if we are going to put this in calculator, you should always include the parentheses. And the answer is 12. Great. So thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I really hope that you also learned from the video tutorial of my math application, and you can also try it, guys, on Google app or iOS. See ya!